everybody. It has been quite a while since I made one of these videos, but tonight seemed like a good reason. I've been working on BombSquad/Ballistica 1.7 for quite a while now, and as of about 3 hours ago, I finally got kind of the big new feature fully working. And so that is Workspaces. So some of you have followed along a little bit on what Workspaces are, but I'll just give a really quick demo of how they work just to show you. So basically, a workspace is just a way to be able to mod the game with nothing but a web browser. It's kind of been a pain in the butt on different platforms, especially like Android phones, trying to get files into the right place so that the game can pick them up, and just being able to see when errors happen and debug things and just iterate. It's not been the best experience. So this has been a goal of mine for a while, is to just kind of make that smoother. And so this is a big step towards doing that. So the way it works is, as some of you know, there's these new type of accounts. The game is going to be moving to these what's called V2 accounts over time. Eventually, all old account types, or most of them, like Google Play accounts and things, they're going to be upgraded to V2 accounts, so they're going to gain these features. But for right now, you have to come in and create a new V2 account if you want to play around. So you can create an account with a email address and a password, and then you can use that account to sign in from any platform, which is nice. It's not like the old device accounts where, like, if you wipe your phone, you lose your account, stuff like that. I tried to be smarter about it this time. And you can recover it if you forget your password, all that kind of standard stuff. So if you come to ballistica.net, you can create one of these accounts. You can see I've created my account, so I'm Evro here. And just to show you how they work, if you launch the game, come into the sign-in section, and oh, by the way, make sure you get the latest test build. It's 1.7.2. You can get those from here if you look under builds. You should see 1.7.2 or anything newer. There we go, 1.7.2. And here, where you used to see sign in with a device account, which again, it's something that's only available on like your particular phone or your particular laptop or whatever. There's this new option, which is sign in with the BombSquad account, and so that's another name for the V2 account. It's just the, this thing. So here you can sign in with your phone if you want, so you can use your password managers or whatever. So, or if you're already signed in on web here, you can poke that button, and now it's just asking to use the account I'm already signed in with. So I'll hit allow. So now it's going to transfer back here, and voila, I'm signed in with my V2 account. So I'm going to close the app for now, and to come and show you the Workspaces stuff. So from this page, you should see a few links. One of them is Workspaces. So if you come in here, you can kind of create and manage workspaces. And a workspace is really nothing more than it's like a folder full of Python scripts that you can edit. And anytime you sign in with a phone or any device that's signed in with this V2 account, it will sync this workspace to that device. And so it's as if all these scripts that you're writing will just exist wherever you sign in, which is kind of cool. And so to do a quick little example, I'm just going to create a new workspace. There we go, workspace 1. And I'm going to set this as the active workspace. So this means, okay, workspace syncing is on. So anytime I sign in with this account, I should be running workspace 1. So first, let's put a little code in here. So we come into the workspace and it's empty. Let's add a file. So there's this. I'm going to add a plugin template file, which is basically, I'll show you. I'll just call it myplugin.py. And see, now we have a file in here, and we can edit that file. There's a nice, nifty little inline editor here with syntax highlighting and all that goodness. And if you check out this file, it's just a few lines of code. Basically, it defines a plugin, and all this plugin does is when the app starts running, it will print a screen message. So, hello from my plugin. That's really it. So this is already saved. I don't have to do anything. So now all I do is I come and launch the account. I'm already signed in here, and there we go. Workspace 1 activated. New plugins detected. Restart to run them. With plugins, you always have to restart once, and then the plugin will start running when the app launches. And so we restart, and there we go. Hello from my plugin. So you can see that's this code, just like running live here. And it's very cool. If we want to just edit this code and mess around with it, we can close this. Let's change this to hello from my plugin 2. Save that, launch the app, and there we go. Hello from my plugin 2. You can see it syncs quite quickly. It should usually. So you can just really quickly edit scripts, on any web browser, and then just run them immediately on any copy of the game, on your phone, on your Mac, on your PC, whatever. So anyway, that's basically it. I'll probably be cleaning this up and trying to get it out onto the Google Play Store and the Mac App Store and all the different versions out there as soon as I can. But for right now, if you want to play with these test builds, they're up on, again, ballistica.net. Just look at builds. And if you run into any problems, just go to GitHub and post issues, or send me emails or things like that. I'd love to get this feature working as smoothly as possible, so we can get as many people making mods in an efficient way as possible. So anyway, that's that for now, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cheers.